Belle Tress describes this style as a modern bob with a twist. Hi everyone, my name is Alicia and I'm a guest reviewer for Wig Studio One. I want to thank Wig Studio One. They gifted me this style so that I could review it for all of us, and I'm going to have purchase information down in my description. This style that I'm wearing is Belfast. This is from the Belle Tress City collection, and this one is in the color Crushed Almond Blonde R. Okay, let me turn around and show you this cute little style. It's got these little textured ends right here. They say to create a little edgy look. I just want to give you a good look. A modern and edgy look. And this is the color Crushed Almond Blonde R. Let me tell you the color code for Crushed Almond Blonde R. It's 1417-101 plus an 18. So here's the 18. This is the root. It's just a really light brown root mixed with these creamy blondes and ash blondes. I'm going to go outside in just a second and take a short video of what this color looks like outside. But here's what it says. Creamy cooler blend of light to medium sandy blonde with chunky highlights of light ash blonde and platinum, creating a soft, natural light blonde with light and medium blended root color. A long description just to say, such a beautiful blonde. I hope you can see the ash running through there. Little hints of platinum on this lighter root. Okay, well, let me come up here and show you this lace front. Just a beautiful lace front on this Crushed Almond Blonde R. Lace that extends down into the ear tabs. And this is her left mono part. My coverage is excellent. I have very average measurements. I have a 22-inch circumference, and I always list all of my measurements in the description. But this is a perfectly average fitting cap. There is a little bit of stretch in this cap. This may fit up to an average large circumference. So here's my coverage on the sides. Beautiful coverage. Okay, I just want to move the hair around so that if you're interested in this style, you would better know what to expect. The fibers are so silky soft. Okay, I'll take the cap off and we'll look at the inside of the cap. So she has an extended lace front that goes down into the ear tabs. A left mono part that goes all the way back to the crown. No permatease in this cap that I can feel. A soft ear tab with a good metal stay, an extended soft nape, Velcro adjusters, and then it's open wefted. Okay, let me put it back on real fast. Beautiful, beautiful lace front. This comes in 11 different colors. So if you're not a blonde, hopefully you could find a color that works for you. This is a fairly low density style. Okay, here comes the video of what this color looks like outside. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. This is so cute, I can't take it. This is adorable, but okay, let's look at this Crushed Almond Blonde R. Just ash blondes, creamy light blondes. It's kind of half sun, half shade, so I hope you can see the color good. Okay, everybody. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to Wig Studio One by email. It's support@wigstudio1.com. Okay, everybody. Thanks for watching.